Is it time to buy or sell American Rebel Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into American Rebel Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of April, 2025, our system has ranked American Rebel Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.85. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 28.45%. This equates to an average return of 9.48% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $1.58 is breached, it could signify a deceleration in the upward momentum and may serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 35.92% over the next 3 months, with a projected return ranging from -29.91% to 810.71%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -11%. According to our estimations, the stock's performance could vary from a complete loss to 461.94% over the coming year. This suggests that the future price could fall anywhere between $0 and $17.25. Our latest daily update for American Rebel Holdings includes the headline, Volatile Ride for American Rebel Holdings Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $2.08 and $3.94. The American Rebel Holdings Incorporated stock price gained 38.91% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, rising from $2.21 to $3.07. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 89.42% from a day low of $2.08 to a day high of $3.94. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 66.26% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 88 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 91 million shares bought and sold for approximately $278 million and $6,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $20.89, and the lowest price was 6.51 cents. Currently, the price is 85.30%, or $17.82, below the 52-week high, and 99.81%, or $1,616.93, below the all-time high on January 21, 2022, when the price reached $1,620. American Rebel Holdings, Inc., trading under the symbol AREB, is making significant strides in its growth trajectory. Recently, the company announced a strategic expansion into North Carolina through a distribution agreement with Adams Beverages, advancing its national footprint to 10 states. This development is crucial as it not only enhances distribution, but signals increasing brand presence in the competitive beverage market. In addition, American Rebel has partnered with Charlotte Motor Speedway as the title sponsor of the NHRA 4-Wide Nationals, maximizing brand exposure to motorsports enthusiasts. Such high-profile sponsorships are likely to boost brand recognition and customer engagement, ultimately driving sales, which could positively impact the stock price in the short term. Furthermore, American Rebel's recent launch event in Bowling Green, Kentucky, further solidifies its community engagement efforts and local market penetration. The company's ongoing initiatives, including a nationwide ad campaign aimed at millions of viewers, aim to amplify consumer awareness and drive product demand. On a financial note, the successful closing of a private placement of up to $11 million enhances the company's cash flow and supports its ambitious growth strategy. However, investors should remain aware of potential volatility due to the prior reverse stock split, which could impact market perceptions. Overall, these developments reflect a positive outlook for AREB, with short-term gains expected from heightened visibility and long-term growth from an expanded distribution network. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 26th of September, 2022, it was reported that EF Hutton assigned AREB a buy grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to American Rebel Holdings stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for American Rebel Holdings. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. The stock of American Rebel Holdings Incorporated is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more pessimistic outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $4.98 and $3.15. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 84.26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 73 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for American Rebel Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.39. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk increases significantly, as a drop below this support could lead to a substantial decrease in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, and with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.86 between its highest and lowest points, representing an impressive 89.42% movement. Over the last week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 53.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for American Rebel Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may be a warning sign of insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of June, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for American Rebel Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and utilize volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, American Rebel Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.39. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, allowing for an anticipated rebound. The combined average rating for American Rebel Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by HRT Financial LP, which bought and sold 425,708 shares or options in the company. Based on the 8 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 56.95. In total, insiders acquired 1,006,060 shares and divested 181,652 shares in the last 8 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is American Rebel Holdings stock a good buy? American Rebel Holdings Inc. stock currently presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that American Rebel Holdings Inc. will likely experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have revised our evaluation of this stock, upgrading it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we expect American Rebel Holdings to open lower by 4 cents and begin trading at $3.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.